strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries in it. Of course, the cinnamon, oranges, the coconut water from Costa Rica, specifically of the best coconuts so far that I've tasted. My soursop tea for the morning. Yeah, let's get the day started. Enjoy.
The market was for a while, yeah, it was crazy. Everybody was getting outbidded. I was telling people like it's best to buy a new build at this point, at that point.
On the mixer.
Eso es con pollo.
Arroz mixed. Camarones y pollo.
Camarones y pollo.
Nice. They're hot.
Lemonade de mango.
Grasshopper roll, room 112. That's right, that seaweed salad on top of the tempura shrimp and jalapenos. It's good stuff. Really good stuff. Got that wild caught sockeye salmon Philly again. That's wild caught sockeye salmon. Really juicy for a sockeye. Sockeyes are typically drier looking, and they're drier, firmer piece of salmon. But this one's pretty juicy for a sockeye, and I threw the peppers and onions in there. This time I used shallots instead of onions. The banana pepper rings, green bell peppers, and that teriyaki, of course. We back in business, ready for our subs. Salmon Philly again. Okay, baby, here we go again. This is our breakfast. You know, breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it. Every day is calling me, though. You know, I got the yellow peppers, the green bell peppers, the red onions, you know, the juicy red tomatoes, farmer's market. I threw in a little bit of jalapeno in there, too, this morning, Of course, my avocado, my 2 boiled eggs. I'm gonna throw the olive oil on there. Got my seasonings on there. Good, right? Good. That's gonna carry me through lunch to dinner if I want, man. I get a nice smoothie in there too. I'm perfect there. Good to go. Let's go. All right, so look, what that olive oil do? Boy. Oh, something. Good to go. Give it that finishing touch. You know what I'm saying? About 2 tablespoons of that. Then we set. Put a little bit of bread in there if you want. Solid. That olive oil is the touch. You know? Extra virgin. Get organic, man, if you can. Olive oil is the touch. Breakfast or brunch, whatever you want to do. Let's go. Come to Health Road.